Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of the Python series. If you remember the last video, we go through on how you can download and install Python on your PC and write a simple program Hello Corona project. Today I'm gonna talk about variable and data types. So let's jump in. Variable is a container to store data values. Well, let's dive into our topic, variable. Let's say a is equal to 1. It means a is refers to the value 1. Let's print out and see. As you can see, it print out 1. Similarly, we can also create a new variable in the next line. Let's say b is equal to 2. What this say is b variable is refers to the value 2. Let's print out. As you can see, it print out 1 and 2. 1 is the value assigned to the variable a and 2 is the value assigned to the variable b. You can also reassign an existing variable, for example b variable, which refers to the value number to the another value. For example, we have here b is equal to 2, which means b variable is refers to the value 2. Now we are gonna reassign the value. B is equal to 5. Let's copy this printout function and paste it here. B is equal to 5. As you can see, it print out 5. You can also get the data type of any object by using the type function. We need to write the type function inside the print function. Type. As you guys know, this 5 is a integer, so it's gonna print int, class int. So if it was a string, like let's say apple, it is gonna print str, which stands for string. Every value in Python has a data type. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are actually classes and the variable are instance object of these classes. In Python programming, there are 4 main data types. There are few more, but we are just going to talk about this for right now. The first one is int. int, which stands for integer, which is basically a whole number like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And also it could be negative as well as positive, like -4, -1, -3. So those are the integer. Okay, now the next data type is string, and the short form of string is str. We can use a single quote like apple, or we can use double quotes to represent a string. Next we have float. Float is any decimal number, like float 1.5, 2.5, 3.6, any decimal number. Lastly we have bool, which stands for boolean. It returns true or false as an output. It returns true or false as an output. And what this do is, in every program you often need to know if an expression is true or false. When you compare any two value, for example 5 is equal to 5, so it returns true because 5 is equal to 5. So that's all for now. If you guys have any question or comment, anything, leave out on the comment section. Anyways, in the next tutorial we'll get into a little deeper. I'll see you in the next video. To like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.